What is rounding number? The number is replaced to another number which is approximately equal to the original number. It is easier, simpler, shorter to represent and calculate the number. Here are few examples. The numbers to my right side are either rounded down or rounded up to its nearest 10. Now 13 is rounded down to its nearest 10, that is 10. 43 is rounded down to its nearest 10, 40. 66 is rounded up to 70. 78 is rounded up to 80. Here is an example of electricity bill. The bill amount is rupees 514. The net amount payable is rupees 510. Why it is so? Why the company is losing rupees 4? Because the company does not want to deal with the change. It only wants to deal with the currency note of rupees 10. Now here we have many applications in our day-to-day life. Here is an example of rounding coaster. I'm sure you must be familiar with the roller coaster. The numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know that the roller coaster goes on top and then comes down. Imagine if the roller coaster stops in the middle here. What will happen? All these numbers will come to this side and all these numbers will go to the other side. Here are few examples. 4 or less, round down. So 4 or less, round down is nearest 10. 34 is rounded down to 30. 52 is round down to 50. 21 is round down to 20. 63 is round down to 60. Here is the next example. 5 or more, round up. 87 is round up to 90. 35 is round up to 40. 19 is round up to 20. 46 is round up to 50. Now, rounding off is done to nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. First we will learn rounding to nearest 10. Here are few numbers which we have to place them on the number line. Remember, to convert a number to nearest 10, look at the digit in the ones place. Now there is a number 12. We have to look at the digit, okay, in the ones place. So I have marked this with red color. Now if you see here 2, okay, where does it lie? It lies here. So we have to round down the number. Now I have marked 12 on the number line. It comes somewhere here. So there are two possible tens, that is 10 and 20. Can you tell me, don't look at this, just look at these numbers 10 and 20. Can you tell me which is the nearest 10 to 12? Is it 10 or 20? Good, it is 10. Okay, let's see another example. 23. I have marked 23 here. Okay, there are two possible tens, 20 and 30. Look at this and tell me which number is near to 23. Is it 20 or 30? Good, it is 20. We'll see another example. 37. I have marked 37 here. Okay, now tell me which number is near 30 or 40. Okay, so all the numbers which are more than 5, where will it round to? It will round to where? To the nearest 10. That is, here the number 40 is near to 37. So we round to 40. 55. Now tell me, 55 is the midpoint of 50 and 60. Where will the number, what will be the nearest 10 of 55? Will it be 50 or 60? Do you all remember about the roller coaster? Okay, very good. It is number 10. So when you round to the nearest 10, okay, we have to round it to the multiple of 10, nearest to it. 68. Look at it. Okay, 68 is coming somewhere here. I have marked here. Now tell me which number is near, 60 or 70? 70 is near to 68. So we round it to the nearest 10, that is 70. Now we'll see rounding to nearest 10 with the 3 digits. Same way, we have to look only at the ones place. Okay? First one, 122. Now I have marked here. The number is coming here. Which are the two possible tens? 120 and 130. Now I have marked 122. Tell me which number is closer to that. Very good. It is 120. 343. Now which are the two possible tens? It can be 340 or 350. So I have marked 343 here. Can you tell me which number is near? Very good. It is 340. Remember, we are looking only at the ones place. Okay, so the number is 340. Next number is 855. So 855 is the midpoint of 850 and 860. So can you tell me where will it lie? Okay, which is the nearest 10? Very good. It is 860. 988. Where will it lie? 980 or 990? So nearest 10 is 990. Rounding to nearest 10 with 4 digits now. Again, remember, we are looking only for the ones place. Here, 1789. So there are two possible tens as I have told you all. It is 1780 and 1790. And the number we have marked is 1789. Where is it lying? It's lying somewhere here. So which number is closer? Very good. It is 1790. Next number is 2175. There are two possible tens. Which are they? 2170 and 2180. So 2175 is the midpoint. Again, which is the nearest 10? It is 2180. 4744. So I have marked it over here. Can you tell me which is the nearest 10? It is 4740. What numbers can be rounded to 160? Think. Which are the numbers which will be rounded to 160? So 160, think 160. So the numbers should be before 160 and after 160. Which are they? Okay, here they are. 155, 156, 158, 157, 158, 159, and these are all numbers before 160. And these numbers are after 160, that are 161, 162, 163, 164. So all these numbers can be rounded to 160. Rounding to nearest 100. Now we will learn how to round the number to nearest 100. To convert a number to nearest 100, look at the digit in the tens place. Here we have to look at the digit in the tens place. Same way, same method, but here we have to look at the digit in the tens place. Now 7 is marked with red color. Okay. Now you looking at this table, can you tell me where does it lie? Where will it round it to? It will round up. Okay. 7 lies here. So let's take the first number, that is 176. Okay. And I have taken the nearest 100. This time we are taking nearest 100, not nearest tens. So we are taking the multiples of 100. 100 and 200. 176 lies between 100 and 200, right? Yes. So now I have marked 176 here. It is coming here. Can you tell me which is the nearest 100? It is 200. 245. So the nearest hundreds can be 300, 200. Look at it and tell me, I have marked 245 here. Which is the nearest 100? It is 200. 450. Now 450 is the midpoint of 400 and 500. Now tell me which is the nearest 100? It is 500. Rounding to nearest 100. Now there are 4 digits. But remember, we have to look only at the tens place. Now 3576. There are 2 possible hundreds. Which are they? 3500 and 3600. I have marked here, it comes somewhere here. Can you tell me which is the number which is nearest to? Okay, it is 3600. Okay, next 2645. Oh, it's already marked, so the number is 2600. It is near to 2600. It's already marked here. So 150 is the midpoint of 4150 is the midpoint of 4100 and 4200. It is in the middle. So which is the nearest 100? It is 4200. Rounding to nearest 1000. Now we will see how to round to nearest 1000. Now nearest 1000 means we have to see at the hundreds place. Correct? Okay. Now we have to mark this number on the number line, that is 13,576. So which are the nearest thousands? So we are looking for the thousands now. Which are the nearest thousands? It can be 13,000 and 14,000. So we have to mark this in between these numbers. So it will come somewhere here. So I have marked 13,500 to show the midpoint. So it is 13,576 is more than 13,500. So it will come somewhere here. Okay. Now tell me which number is close to that. It is 14,000. One more example. 22,745. It's already marked here. So the midpoint was 22,500. Okay. Then I had to mark 22,745. So I marked 22,700. So it comes somewhere here. This number. So it is close to this 23.